Hello students, in this video we'll see a problem based on Newton-Raphson method. A problem is find a real root of the equation x e raised to x minus 2 equal to 0, correct to 3 decimal places using Newton-Raphson method. Solution. So the given equation we have to consider as f of x is equal to x e raised to x minus 2. So here we got only the equation, no any value is given here, x value, so we need to find that one. So this equation we will prepare in the calculator. So shift 7 table, so we'll prepare the formula alpha x into shift, you use lan, so you'll get e raised to alpha x, use center cursor button, so it will come side minus 2. Okay, so use this to get this e, we have to use shift and this lan. So above lan you can see in the yellow color it is e raised to box, so it will appear. So in that box you have to write alpha x again. So press starting value as 0, end value as 5, and step size will take 1, and we'll check where the root lies in. So you can see here if x is 0 it is minus 2, and when x is 1 it is coming plus value here. So we got a root immediately, so we'll apply that. So f of 0 is minus 2 and f of 1 is 0.7183. This is a negative value and this is positive value here. The root lies in 0 and 1. The root lies in 0 and 1. So once we get this step, we need to go for x0 value here. So you can see that 2 is, so we have to neglect the sign, 2 is near to 0 or 0.7183 is near to 0. So if you compare, so 0.7183 is near to 0 and this is because of 1. So let your x0 value is 1. Don't take this value. This nearer value is coming because of what? Means which value of x it is coming, that value of x we have to consider, that is x0. So we got this. So we have f of x. As per the Newton-Raphson formula we needed f dash of x. So we have to differentiate f of x, we'll get f dash of x. So f dash of x is equal to, so differentiation of x e raised to x, product formula, keep x as it is, differentiation of e raised to x with respect to x is e raised to x, plus keep e raised to x as it is, differentiation of x with respect to x is 1 minus differentiation of 2 is 0. So therefore f dash of x will be x e raised to x plus e raised to x. You can take e raised to x common or else keep as it is. Then we'll go for the first approximation by Newton-Raphson method. First approximation is x1 equal to x0 minus f of x0 divided by f dash of x0. So replace the value of x0. So x0 value is 1 minus f of 1 divided by f dash of 1. Only for the sake of convenience I am writing that once again, that is 1 minus f of 1 means, so in equation we have to replace x by 1. So 1 into e raised to 1 minus 2 divided by f dash, that is 1 e raised to 1 plus e raised to 1. It is just to show you I have taken. So better I will type this formula in the calculator so that it will be easy. So the formula will write, so alpha x minus division, then the formula bracket, so alpha x into shift LAN you press, you will get e raised to box. There in the box, alpha x, side cursor button, minus 2, close the bracket, divided by, so we have f dash of x as what here? X e raised to x minus e raised to x, bracket I will use, that is alpha x, then e raised to box, that in that box alpha x, plus shift LAN, so e raised to box, you will get that in that box alpha x, and take side cursor button, close the bracket, and you can see a formula clearly on the screen. So it is x minus x e raised to x minus 2 divided by x e raised to x plus e raised to x. So go for calc option. So x value right now we have chosen as x naught as 1, so 1 equal to, and you can see answer as 0.8678. so fourth place I will round up, so it will be 0.8679. so x1 is equal to 0.8679. Next, second approximation will go here. The second approximation is, that is x2 is equal to, it is x1 value is 0.8679 minus f of x1, that is 0.8679 divided by f dash of x1, that is 0.8679. Fine. So once we get this, will you just enter the same value here. So x2 will be, so here you have to go for calc option and write the value 0.8679 and equal to sign. You can find the answer 0.8527, so on. So a 0.8528 will make it. x2 is equal to 0.8528. So still not satisfied with x1, x2, we'll have to go for third approximation. So third approximation is, that is x3 is equal to x2 value, that is 0.8528 minus f of x2 value, that is 0.8528 divided by f dash of x2, that is x2 is 0.8528. So we'll type this and we'll see what answer we'll get. So calc option, so 0.8528 and we'll see the answer. It is 0.8526. we got it, 0.8526. still not satisfied, so I wanted to go for one more iteration, that is fourth iteration or fourth approximation is, that is x4 is equal to x3 value, that is 0.8526 minus f of x3, that is 0.8526 divided by f dash of x3, that is 0.8526. so again we'll check using the calculator. So if you keep the formula ready, just see how much easy to calculate here. So calc option, so 0.8526 and see the answer. So 0.8526. so again we are getting the same answer. So it is 0.8526. so x3 is also 0.8526 and x4 is also 0. So both results are matching, approximately same. So thus the required approximate root root is 0.8526. So in this way we need to simplify a problem based on Newton-Raphson method for the given equation.